guys, what's up? And today I'm going to be showing you how to make Lego Technic set pullback stunt truck into a treaded stunt truck. So what you'll need is 48 pieces of tread, 4 of these gear pieces, and yeah, so let's get right into it. So what you need to do first is take off all the wheels. Done. So you don't need the wheels anymore, put them aside. So now you should have something that looks like this. Now you'll need to take your gears and put them right on the edge of the axle. So do that for all 4 sides. No, but every bit. So you should have something that looks like this. Now put together your tread. Yeah, so half your 48 pieces of tread into 24 piles. Yeah, so 2 piles of 24 treads and put them together. I've already made one like this, but I'll just be making one. So guys, I need help making that background better. So if you could give me any ideas on how to make my background nicer, then give me some tips on how to. So I'm just still putting this tread together. Sometimes it can be hard to put tread together. Yep, I'm actually taking this tread from a Lego crane, a Lego Technic crane. Yeah. So put all your tread together, which I'm doing right now as I speak. If you hear all those clicks, that is good. That means it's locking in. This one doesn't. There we go. Yeah. So you need to do this a lot. So guys, this is a very long process, but I'll just be putting this tread together. I only have 4 more pieces to go. 3, 2, and 1. So now guys, you should have a long bit. Now you need to connect the 2 ends together. So then you should do this 2 times so you have 2 loops. You'll get your truck and slide the inner, so you see these bits here, right? So these bits here, you need to put the gear on that, like I have done here. So put the gears on the inner bit, and then it should be done. It is still pullback, but you need to do this on carpet to actually make it move. So yeah, there you go. That was pretty hard / easy. It was hard for me because my thumb's kind of, I don't think you'll be able to see that, but I cut it, so it was hard. Anyway, so that was it. Please like and subscribe. Goodbye!